we will use the Interfaces window to connect to a DMX node. Blinderkitten is compatible with OpenDMX, and Tech, and Artnet nodes. Our interface represents a DMX universe. By default, an interface is already created, and it is possible to rename it by double-clicking on its name. For our tests, we will use Artnet to capture Student, which is a live light simulation software. To communicate with Capture, we will use the loopback network card of this computer, whose address is 192.168.123.45. The entire installation and setup procedure for this card is available in Blinderkitten's online documentation and in the description of this video. The DMX Pass Through option allows duplicating one output interface to another. This will allow us, for example, to duplicate our capture output to a USB node or an Artnet converter on our network. To do this, we need to create our new DMX interface. Then in the capture interface, add our new interface in DMX Pass Through. The DMX Tester window allows you to see the values currently being sent on your universe, as well as write directly to DMX addresses. This can be useful for locating patched fixtures or testing lines.